So let's put everything on the line and fight to the death.
I'm not interested in doing that.
Using our blood, the Chinoike clan can make use of all kinds of jutsu.
You want to keep going? Chakra's entering my wound? What?
My chakra seals the wound, and then lies in wait. Now goodbye, Sasuke Uchiha.
So that's how you made the exploding humans.
The ringleader was turned over to the authorities last night, isn't that right?
Yeah.
So was Sasuke there then?
Asked for Leaf Shinobi to go to the Land of Steam to take custody. The one who captured the ringleader didn't come back here with them.
Must be from Kakashi. Illegible. It's Naruto. It's been a while. Maybe I'll go home.